Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Are you looking for a way to create engaging and SEO-friendly content for your website without spending hours writing or hiring freelancers? Do you want to leverage the power of AE to generate unique content, images, and videos that attract and retain visitors? If yes, then you need GPT Studio, the world's first auto chat GPT publisher. Before we get started and dive into the review, I need to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 3 awesome bonuses that are going to propel you to the moon. Bonus number 1, SEO for 2024, the complete guide. Level up your digital game with our exclusive bonus, SEO for 2024. Master the latest strategies and stay ahead in search engine rankings. Elevate your online presence effortlessly. Bonus number 2, a guide, how to start selling digital products easily. Dive into the digital marketplace with our bonus guide, how to start selling digital products. Learn the essentials of creating, marketing, and selling your digital goods successfully. Launch your online business journey today. Bonus number 3, complete guide to video editing. Elevate your video creation with our complete guide to video editing bonus. Unleash professional editing techniques, refine transitions, and master storytelling in just 4 concise chapters. Perfect for beginners and seasoned creators alike, this bonus ensures your videos captivate audiences with a polished touch. Unlock the secrets to impactful visual storytelling today. Unlock these exclusive bonuses, available solely through my link. Despite their potential value reaching hundreds of dollars, I'm providing them to you absolutely free. This is your chance to supercharge the product and maximize your success. Elevating your game is my priority. These bonuses will be seamlessly delivered to you through Warrior Plus or JevZoo upon grabbing the product. Without further ado, let's delve into the review and kickstart this journey. GPT Studio is a cutting-edge WordPress add-on that integrates OpenAI's chat, GPT, and other advanced AI technologies. It allows you to effortlessly create set and forget websites filled with real-time, unique content with just 3 clicks. You can also enable your website to continuously publish content 24/7 without the need to log in to ChatGPT. GPT Studio handles all aspects of publishing content and images on your website pages, using OpenAI's algorithms to ensure originality and quality. GPT Studio offers you many benefits that will boost your online presence and business growth. Some of the benefits are Google-friendly SEO content. GPT Studio ensures that all generated content is 100% original and SEO-friendly, helping to improve search engine rankings and attract organic traffic to your website. Time and cost efficiency. GPT Studio saves you time and money by automating content creation and eliminating the need to hire freelancers or buy pre-written articles. Engaging and high-quality content. GPT Studio produces engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. User-friendly interface. GPT Studio has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use and customize. You can choose from various content types, niches, and languages to suit your needs. Integrated AE chatbot. GPT Studio also features an integrated AI chatbot that enhances visitor interaction and satisfaction. You can use the chatbot to answer queries, provide support, and collect feedback from your visitors. If you're ready to take your website to the next level with GPT Studio, then don't wait any longer. GPT Studio is available for a one-time low cost for lifetime access. You can also get a huge bonus and a 30-day money-back guarantee when you buy GPT Studio today. To get GPT Studio, simply click on the link below and start creating amazing websites with AE.